Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix couldn't refresh feed on Instagram. So let's get started the video. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. You can also restart your router to turn airplane mode on and off to reset the connection. Step 2 is close the Instagram app completely and reopen it. On most devices, you can swipe up from the bottom and swipe the app away to close it. Then reopen Instagram and check if the feed refreshes. If you are on Android, go to Settings, then Apps. Find Instagram and select Clear Cache. This can help clear any temporary data that might be causing the issue. Another step is update the Instagram app. Outdated versions of Instagram can sometimes cause errors. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram and update the app if there is a new version available. Also check Instagram server status. Sometimes the issue might not be on your end. Go to a site like Down Detector to check if Instagram servers are down. If there's an outage, you will just need to wait until Instagram resolves it. As a last resort, you can try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it from the App Store or Google Play Store. This can often fix any bugs or glitches causing the error. So there you have it. One of these steps should help you fix the couldn't refresh feed error on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tech tips.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.